Hi friends of YouTube. This is my first video in English. All what is going to be in English. If you don't understand, go away and never come back if you don't understand English, because this is the first one and we will do like 10 or more, I don't know. But please, if you want more of these English videos, just leave a like and subscribe, and we will make a lot of videos here. And thank you for the support of all. In this video, it's play one game of this Subway Surf. No. Okay, I want to play it. Then in the channel of Foxtail Gamer Vlogs, it's one video equal, but because I already do the Subway Surf part 4 and he will do his part 2. Yeah. The persons in the put the third 4 and the 3 4 and we will do a Quicksilver. I will be Quicksilver not in a long time, because today we will do the video of a vlog that I'm Quicksilver. Then when I have the Flash costume, I will be the Flash. In this video, it's not one person speaks Spanish or no one other language. It's only English. Yeah. Never we will do Spanish. No French, no Spanish in this video. Because in other videos we will do everything that we want. We don't care what we're doing. I am scary. Oh, on this video. Because we're in the dark. Oh. We don't have we're in a close place. Oh. Oh my God. In the name of this video is in English, the name, because the video is in English and the name is equal in English. I am complete the mystery box. Daily complete. It was big. Oh no. Lag. Yeah. Oh yeah. This. I have that too. No. Oh my God. Oh my God. Of this, cause this is scary. Money. Wait. No. What is this? I don't know. It's in Spanish. You have a lot of money. Yeah. Let me play. Okay. My friend needs play on the and I broke his record. Yeah. It's broke my record the other day. My friend Brian, it's not here. I don't know where he is, so let's be honest. We haven't seen him in 2 or 3 weeks. We haven't seen him in 3 weeks. Literally. We're not kidding. You can complete this. Okay. The rocks. I will try. I almost died. Nope, this. Oh
My God.
no. Oh my God.
I will never die.
It's very scary in the real life that.
You can die in 2 seconds.
Yes, in the real life.
But
in this have
infinite lives.
Yeah.
Like in Minecraft, you can revive, but in real life, you stay like this. You cannot.
Have the second part in another video.
This is the second part.
This is the first, and in other video, it's the second part. On this day. Nope. No. My sister is studying Spanish. Okay.
And I recommend you if you have a sister and that likes gameplays of girl games.
You can go to Suri Garcia.
Or
It's Suri Garcia.
Then subscribe, then it will change the name. So subscribe when it have the name.
Wait
a minute. Wait a second.
Oh, it's other
Oh,
time.
we have a cat here.
Yes.
Say hello.
You can look. Wait.
Look at her. Look at her. Look at her.
It's scary.
Hey.
Okay.
Let's go.
It's scary, the cat.
Let's continue. I'm with a lot of hair of cat.
One person needs to.
What?
Nothing. Okay.
Call me Charlie. Charlie challenge. I'm gonna kill you when you're.
Subscribe and put one like.
And leave a support so we do more videos of Subway Surf. This was the only one of Subway Surf that we will do in English.
Okay. The other video
We will try to do a challenge.
it's
all in English.
In the other video it's in English equal
English.
Bye. Goodbye.
A dance and sensual dance.
Bye. Bye subscribers.